Welcome to Meow Money, where we turn tricky finance into fun, bite-sized tips. Let's dive in.
Picture this. The market is a moody cat. Some days it purrs, some days it hisses, and you're just trying to feed your future without getting scratched. What is DCA? Dollar cost averaging. DCA means investing the same amount on a schedule, no matter what the market is doing. Example: $100 every Monday into an index fund. If prices are high, your $100 buys fewer shares. If prices drop, your $100 buys more shares. You keep scooping the same kibble each time. What is lump sum? Lump sum means investing a big pile all at once. Example: you get a $10,000 bonus and invest the whole $10,000 today. When to use each one? Choose DCA if you're investing from paychecks, want a simple rule, or headlines make you panic meow. It keeps you consistent through ups, downs, and zoomies, and consistency plus time is the real magic. Choose lump sum if you already have the cash ready. And you can stay calm like a Warren Buffett cat who understands what they're buying and won't run away during scary days. Conclusion: most people should do DCA because it's realistic, stress-proof, and it gets you started now. Then compounding can take its long, cozy cat nap. Meow Money. Steady paws, purring savings.
Thanks for watching Meow Money. Like and subscribe to keep your savings purring. See you next time.